Welcome to Fonex Chef Kitchen. Today we're making crispy smashed potatoes. Boil 1 kilogram of well-washed baby potatoes in generously salted water until tender. While the potatoes are boiling, let's make the sauce. Make sure everything is thoroughly crushed. Add half a cup of olive oil. Add freshly chopped rosemary and make sure everything is thoroughly combined.
Set the sauce aside. Remove the boiled potatoes from the water and allow them to drain. Arrange them spaced apart on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Use the bottom of a glass. Crush them all right on the baking sheet. Generously brush plenty of the prepared sauce all over them. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius until golden brown. Transfer to a plate while still hot, then add parsley and Parmesan cheese.
Enjoy your meal.
Perfetto.